Oh yeah, she's burning. Oh, it's gotten so much worse. This is not a one-man crew thing to do. Oh my god! What? Wait, what just happened? Oh my god. You'll be alright, sir. Don't worry, I got the magical spreaders that will spread your door apart. Alright. Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna be a firefighter. It's been a long time. It's been quite a bit since I played this game. Not gonna lie. Already, dumpster fire. Alright. Guess this is gonna be a rough night. Yeah, and yes, I am a one-man crew. And I'm gonna be operating a ladder. Which is crazy. There's supposed to be more people, but there's not a lot of people at this station, and I'm the only one on right now, so let's go. Dumpster fire, code 3. Where's this? There it is. Right. Oh yeah, she's burning. Alright. How do I do this? How do I... Can I not grab this? No? Alright, hold on, I gotta figure this out. Water hose? Here we go, okay. Here we go. Alright, there we go. Spray some water on this. Wonder if I could have used an extinguisher. I probably could have. But water is pretty good. There we go. Wasn't too bad. Let me get this. Alright, someone else can take that because I gotta take this hose inside. But yeah, not too bad, not too bad. Hold on, I actually gotta take my time and figure out what's in here. So I got an extinguisher, water hose, supply hose, SCBA, fan, Halligan. Rescue, spreaders, medbag, ladder, axle. Additional, okay. Got that stuff, cool. Now I know more. Outriggers, okay. Yep. Alright. I'm ready. See what happens next. Oh my god. We got a structure fire. I'll take it since I'm in a ladder truck and it says suggests a ladder truck. Responding. Move. Okay. No traffic. We can just go without sirens. We're right here anyways. Oh my god, we do need a ladder. Okay, there's a tree in the way. Hold on. Back her up. Right here. Hopefully the ladder will reach. Alright, here we go. Gotta use this ladder. Oh. Ma'am, road is closed off. U-turn. Oh, wait. Hello? Ma'am, road's closed. Turn around. Does this not work? I'm sorry, but what? There it is, okay. Go down. Oh. Here we go. Left side, come on. Oh my god, I'm not doing this quickly enough. The one-man crew. I literally don't have anybody. Gotta do everything by myself. There we go. Alright, where's my trunk? Here we go. Get ready. On SCBA, I guess. And Yeah? Let's go. Map. Road is closed. Turn around. Oh my. Oh. They just won't turn around, I guess. Oh, I think I can control it from up here. If I remember correctly. Last time I did this. I think I can control. Yep. Alright. Okay, let. No, 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 no. It's been. Okay, I'm sorry, but this has been. Okay. What am I doing wrong? Up? Coming up? Hello? Oh, that's for that. Oh my god, I just... Right. Oh wait, how do I go up though? Oh. My god, I just forgot how to control this. Let's see. Here we go. Oh! It's gotten so much worse. This is not a one-man crew thing to do. Oh, it's gotten so much worse. Can I even... I don't even know if I could even... take this... Take the fire out. I don't know how to... Yes, I do. I know how to control it. I don't even know if I can take this out by myself, to be honest with you. Okay, never mind. Hold on. I don't see what I'm doing. I don't think it's reaching. It's not reaching. Wait, I can extend this ladder. Yeah, I can extend it. Hold on. How do you... Is this the max extension? Oh, I got it. Oh, crap. Crap. Wait. I think there's fire on the other side. Dang it. There's fire on the other side. Hold on. No. Oh, there's fire on the other side. Water hose. Come on, let's go. Oh my god, it's all on this side. It's up there too. Oh my god. Okay, I don't know if this could reach. Hopefully it reaches. Huh. It's not reaching. This is bad. I have to pull the truck around. Just gotta finish this up. Gotta pull the truck around. Oh my god. Fine, you guys can come through once I move out of the way, I guess. Is that it? Oh? Hello? There's fire still? Where? Where? No way you could go inside. You go inside? No? Oh, there's more. Oh, this is so hard with the one-man crew operating a ladder. Jesus. And done. Nice. There's no way. There's no way. There's no way. How? How? Where? You're kidding me. You're joking me. This is way too much for one person. Oh my god, I gotta go search for this. Oh! It just burned out. Just the way I like it. Alright. Wait, oh my, I gotta fix this back here. Alright, well, I'm gonna fix this. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next call if there's any. What? Oh my, there's 4 legs. Well, I did not know that. I don't know why I read this as left and right. It says front and rear. Oh my god, I didn't read that. To be honest with you, I don't know why I thought it was right or left. I just didn't know. Cat stuck in a tree. Really? Owner has called for help at 3468. Oh my gosh. Show me responding. Go to, yeah. It should be code 1, to be honest. Where's this at? Event 26. Don't tell me it's at the suburbs. How do you open the map? Where is it? It's at the suburbs. I gotta travel all the way out there. Oh my god. Alright, well, let's go on a road trip, shall we? All good. We're all good. Oh my god! What the? Wait, what just happened? Wait. That guy was speeding and he just crashed. I should probably check this guy out. What? I've never seen that happen before. That is new. Are you okay? All the way down there. How the? This is not safe. Yeah, hold on, let me get out, because I can't really see. It's not safe at all. Oh, yep, they're down there. Okay, we should probably get there. Operation Cat Stuck in a Tree, we'll, stop that real quick. Operation, go help this guy is, go. This is not safe. Hopefully there's no, hopefully the train doesn't come. That would not be good. Oh my god, so much smoke, I can't see nothing. Hold on, I should probably not park on the tracks. Oh my god, I swear, if I get stuck down here because I didn't want to be on the tracks, there's gonna be problems. Here we go. Get the bag, get the bag, get the bag. Do I have the med bag? I should have one, right? Yes. Hello? Ma'am? Are you... I thought that was a train. Are you... Can I drop this? Please? Alright, no. Ma'am? Your car is still driving, looks like. I didn't know Camaros made front-wheel drive, cars. Ma'am? Ma'am? Are you... You not hear me? Are you blind? You're not looking at me. You're just not... Alright. Well, good luck, I guess. Yep, you're gonna die to the train, that's for sure. Well, they didn't need any help, apparently, so... Let's put this bag back here. And let's go to this cat stuck in a tree. Alright, I'll be on scene. Should be here somewhere. 3468. I'm at 3368. 3468. Okay. No person. There's no person to talk to. Are we? Nobody's here. Where's this cat at? Oh my! I'm literally not gonna find this cat. I'm gonna leave it out here. Yeah, it'll come down. It'll come down. No need to pull out the ladder and just get the cat. It'll come down. I don't know why I was sent out here anyways. Well, where's my computer? Alright. I'll be clear and available. Crazy night. And here we go with another call. Motor vehicle accident. I'm responding. Where's this? In the city. Alright, here we go. Another road trip back to the city. This is gonna take like 2 minutes. For you guys, it'll just cut right to this to the accident. Alright. What do we got here? Oh, we got people inside. Okay. No medics. Okay, get the med bag. Yeah. Need the med bag. What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Tell me. Spreaders. That's what's happening? Cool. Drop this. How do you drop this? Drop the bag! Drop the damn bag. You just won't drop it. Alright, so we need spreaders. Spreaders. Nope, nope, nope. Here we go. Got people stuck inside. Are you stuck inside? You are. Alright, here we go. Spread that door wide open. Pop that door, come on. There it is. Okay. Oh my god. You'll be alright, sir. Don't worry, I got the magical spreaders that will spread your door apart. Here we go. And just because my guy didn't want to drop the bag, I have to come all the way back here and get the bag. Alright, ma'am. Ma'am, are you conscious? Talk to me. Breathing, pulse found, conscious, possible neck injury. Alright. Yeah, pulse found, pulse, okay. Conscious and has pulse. There we go. Alright, neck collar. Alright, yep, neck collar. Should be trauma. There we go. Put the neck collar on. Get the ambulance. Press transport. You'll be alright, ma'am. Medics are on their way. Oh, sir. Let me check your pulse. Pulse found. Okay, that's good. Conscious? Question mark. Conscious. Possible neck injury. Another neck injury. Jeez, this looks like it was a head-on collision. Was found. Alright, let me guess. Neck collar, yep. What are they doing? Are you okay? Alright. Yep. It's like, that'll be everything. Just get out! Oh my god, the medics just don't know how to drive. They're just ramming into the car. Are you done? Are you done? I'm done. I'm out of here. Well, that's all I gotta do. Crazy night, I will say. Crazy night. There it is. Just reverse my way out of here. Alright. Ooh, reach 600 fire and rescue reputation something points, I think. Nice. Well, let's go back to the station. Bro, I can't. Someone else has to take this call with a crew of 4 because it took a long time last time. I couldn't do it. Yeah, no, I can't. I'm sorry. Oh, look, Jimmy's on it. Oh, thank you, Jimmy. I think Jimmy's on it with his crew. Yep, he's got it. All right, cool. All right, that's what time is it? It's oh, it's 5. Oh, that's the end of my shift. Aaron should be coming in like right now, so guess that's the video. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of being a firefighter and road to 70 subscribers. We got to 60 subscribers, and thank you guys so much for that. But now on to the road to 70. So come on, just hit the subscribe button. Just hit it. Also, make sure to like my videos if you like them. You know. And yeah, and as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one.